This is Jordan Pond, and behind me is the Jordan Pond House, where they serve wonderful popovers and so forth in the summer. And that sits on a very bouldery ridge on the south end of this lake. And that feature is an end moraine formed when the ice margin, which was retreating in from the continental shelf some 300 miles away, finally reached the position of the Maine coast at about 17,000, wrapped itself around these hills, and the margin stood there and discharged sand and gravel and boulders into the ocean, because the ocean followed the ice margin in as the ice margin retreated inland. The reason for this, of course, is that the weight of the ice had depressed the land surface quite a ways, and it was down, and so the sea followed in, and the sea was actually 250 feet higher than the present sea level is now, and so the sea level was really up about here, and the ice margin terminated in the salt water. So the meltwater coming off the ice carrying sand and gravel not only built the moraine right at the edge of the ice, also discharged a little bit further on the other side of it and formed a delta built into the ocean at 250 feet or 240 or 250 feet at the time. Subsequently, the margin continued to recede through this lake and uncovered the bubbles up here, the granite knobs on the north end of the lake.